Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick review here on this universal motorcycle or bike cell phone holder. This one comes exactly as pictured here in this video with these three pieces. So this is the part that attaches to the handlebars themselves. This is an adapter in case the handlebar is too skinny. So for this holder, it'll give it a smaller diameter. And this is the actual cell phone holder itself. So really, just to put it together, it's very simple. This one screw comes off and is placed over the grommet. You push it together, and now this will tighten. And what that does, that's for the up and down movement. So when this is on the bar for the bike, it can just go up and down however you want to see your phone. This part, like I said, this is just a universal to make it a little bit smaller. And then this just simply tightens down as well. Just tightens here to tighten right down onto the actual handlebar itself. And what's nice about this is really all it is pull it apart, and that is how it holds the phone. I'll throw one on here real quick. So it's universal for different size phones, and you just pull it and drop it. That's it. Look how tight that is. That's not going anywhere. It's very, very easy to take the phone in and out. That's what I like about it. So once you put it on your handlebars, you tighten it down. It's a simple adjustment this way, up and down, however you want to see it. That's it. And to take it out, you just pull and it comes right out. Excellent product, highly recommend it.